You'll never struggle with putting your socks on again if you train this simple exercise. But remember, simple doesn't mean easy. This is going to light up your hip flexors. Place one foot on the box or the bench and lift your knee straight up so your foot comes off of that object. Imagine that there is a string attached from the ceiling to your knee and it's pulling your leg straight up like this, so you get a lot of activation in your hip flexor. If your foot comes off the box 6 inches or more, you have to get a higher box to increase the difficulty. That way you can get the desired stimulus to improve your mobility and increase your range of motion.